In this video, I will teach you how to change your Twitter username and display name. Go to your profile, tap the circle icon in the top left corner of the screen. Drop down the navigate to settings and privacy, then tap account. Tap username. It's the top option on this page. Type in a new username. Tap done. It's in the top right corner of the screen. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.